Presenting the 2012 Ford Focus. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include an alarm system, independent suspension, traction control, stability control, anti-lock brakes, a home link system. Inside you'll find an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, automatic climate control, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side airbags, child safety locks, cruise control, a trip computer, child restraint seats. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."